We are having such a good time learning our WeCreat Vision Laser Engraver. We actually engraved a mirror and it was so easy. Before we take a look at how we made this, I'd like to invite you to support our channel. Simply click the subscribe button and then the notification bell, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks. So over in WeCreat's Make It software, we're going to upload an image that I've already downloaded and upload the SVG file. And from there, we're going to adjust the size to be the size of my mirror. In the scale box at the top, we're going to change it to 7.75 wide by 7.75 high. And then on the right, we're going to change that to Fill Engrave, and we'll adjust the settings in a minute. On the left, we'll click on the text tool. We're going to change that to say Hello Beautiful, and we'll adjust the font in the upper left. When we select the font, we can adjust it to be what we want, and I've got a font loaded on my computer that I'm going to use for this. And then I can grab one of the corners and size it down to what I want, and then also change this to Fill Engrave, but I'm going to skip the settings for just a second. Once I get it sized the way I want it and put in position where I want it, then we can go in and make some more modifications. First, I'm going to flip this because we're going to engrave on the back side of the mirror, not the front side of the mirror, so we're going to flip it. And then we're going to adjust our settings. I'm using Power 100, Speed 250 with one pass on everything that we see here. And then we'll go ahead and send that over to the machine to start the engraving process. I will say that we did a test run and we decided to go against using the flowers with the border and took the border off and adjusted it. We are using a silicone mat inside our machine. This helps us to be able to see the mirror when we're doing autofocus and refreshing it to make sure things are lined up properly. And then once it's done doing the engraving process, which was only maybe 6 minutes total time, it turned out great. It looks fantastic. Here we held it in front of one of our lights, and you can see it's bright, it's very shiny coming through, and then we added a piece of acrylic behind it so you could see how beautiful this looks, right? You could frame this and hang this on your wall. I think it looks fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please make sure you do for more fun and informative craft videos.